Hey everybody, hope all is well. We're going to get tattoo removal. This is actually my second session. I did the first one. I was so nervous. I wanted to bring you guys along the first time, which was 6 weeks ago. Y'all was so nervous, didn't know what to expect. I was almost shaking, girl. So I have one tattoo. Got this 15 years ago, and I've started the process of getting it removed. So I'm going to a place that specializes in only tattoo removal. They don't do anything else, only that. So when I got the consultation on it, they told me that it would take about 12 sessions. I want to say 10 to 12 sessions. I have to get one session done every 6 weeks. So this is going to be like a year plus long situation to get it off. But I wanted to go there and get it done, even though it's a process, because I don't want any scarring. So that's been my main thing with trying to get it off is, have you seen someone with a tattoo that you can tell it was removed? You can still see the shape of where the tattoo was. That's what I don't want. First time I got it done, it was super painful. I'll tell you that right now. A lot more painful than getting it done. And just like I told Mister, if it was any bigger than this, I wouldn't have been able to finish getting it done. I'd have probably had to leave, y'all. Honestly, that's how bad it hurt. And the whole process was literally like 2 minutes. Like, it was really, really quick. Seems as if it got darker since the first session, so that's the only thing I noticed. At first it was a little swollen, and I saw like a couple of bumps on there, and I was thinking it was going to keloid, because I do have keloid skin. But after about 2 weeks, those bumps went away, and it just seemed like the tattoo got a little darker. So that's what we're working with. We're going to do that later. We're going to actually do that tomorrow, but that's going to be in this vlog, so I wanted to put you guys up on what's happening. So AJ's got a new vanity. So I want to thank our friends over at Yitahome for sponsoring today's video. They sent over this beautiful vanity, you guys. I'll pop a picture right there so you guys can see it. She has a vanity in her room already, but it's really small, and she can't really fit. Doesn't have much storage at all. So they sent over a few options for me to choose from, and so Mister's actually upstairs putting it together now. So let me show you what it came in. So this is the box. The box came straight to the front door. It's a pretty heavy box, so he did have to open it up and take the pieces upstairs, which was pretty easy, you guys. Him and I together probably could have done it, but he'd rather me not pick up on it. So, and AJ doesn't even know. She's still at school. I didn't even tell her. It's so nice, y'all. I wish I could use it, but my studio's not big enough for it. I need something really long, and that's also something that I feel like is more so for like a room, but it's really pretty. And so let's go up there and see how much he's done. I know she's gonna be so excited when she gets home from school, y'all. So excited, and she deserves it, y'all. AJ is such a good kid. Hey y'all, so it's the next day, and we're going to get second session to the tattoo removal that I was telling you guys about. So this is what I put on. Quick, very casual outfit, which is a denim top. It's like a denim crop top with a long maxi skirt. It's just like a cotton maxi skirt. some Air Forces. For my accessories, I'm wearing Shop, Link, and Live. Their earrings, the bracelet, and the necklace. I was thinking about doing silver, but lately I've been loving to mix metals. I don't know why, but with almost every outfit I've been mixing metals. So I wanted to do silver because of this, but I was like, let me throw gold in here, you know, and I like it. So it's kind of hot outside, but I'm wearing this anyway because if I don't wear it now, then it's going to be next year before I can put this on. So it's going to have to work. I just put on my sunscreen that I've been telling you guys about, the Ken Lo sunscreen. Been loving it with a little bit of the Supergoop sunscreen in it. A couple of the socialites said that the Supergoop burns their eyes. I don't think I've ever put it in my eye area before, so I'm not sure. So y'all be careful with that. I mix mine in with the Ken Lo sunscreen, which is my skin tone, and it just gives me a golden glow and a little bit of extra protection. So for fragrance, I have on the Cosmic by Kylie Jenner, which is a beautiful vanilla ambery scent, everyday scent, daytime or nighttime. This is so pretty. The hype is super real on here. Somebody said it's too sweet, so if you don't like super sweet, you may not like it, but I think this would be like a crowd pleasing scent that most people would probably love. I know I do. And for a handbag, I'm gonna wear my birthday handbag that I got from Louis Vuitton last month. Love this. And that's it. So let's go, y'all. So all done. That is painful. I said, you know what, I wanted to record so y'all can see the laser. I need to be looking down here so y'all can see the actual laser on it, and I chickened out and couldn't show you guys. That is pain. If you've ever heard anybody talk about tattoo removal, it hurts a lot worse than actually getting a tattoo. I got that Cosmo, which is a new drink. It's good. It'll sneak up on you because it has me feeling a little tired, y'all. But it was sweet and good. It was like a juicy lychee with like a touch of a citrus touch to it. Really good. And then the firecracker shrimp, I want to say that's what it was. It's new. That was really tasty as well. So 10 out of 10 on that. We hadn't been to PF Chain in a very long time. So across the street is like a Marshall's, but like one of the good ones, like the mega ones that usually has everything. We don't go to this one that often, so I just want to look around in there. That's where I've been getting my nails done. A couple of you have been asking about my nails. This pair and the last pair I had on, it's like the chrome, pink chrome, but they're press-ons, and I found them at Marshall's. And they also have them at TJ Maxx, but I've just been trying out different styles. So I'm gonna look across the street at this Marshall's to see what kind of nails they have over there. So I'm back home. Let me show y'all what I got at Marshall's. It wasn't too much. The last few times we went to Marshall's and TJ Maxx, why is that like my new spot to get snacks? I love so many brands of their popcorn. Y'all gotta try it out. Some good popcorn. So it's been an alternative to like not eating chips. And I can tell the difference. I've been making small little bitty changes since the beginning of the year. And I can see a difference, child. I'm not even that strict, but I see a huge difference in my body. But let me show you guys what I got. This is one that we get all the time. So it just tastes like buttered popcorn with a little salt on it. It's good. A fraction of the calories as chips, y'all. So late night, if you're a late night snacker, try switching your snacks to just different types of popcorn at home. And let me know how it works for you. Or let me know if you already do that. And then I got the caramel kind. So last time I got 2 different types of caramel popcorn. One of them was like a crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and can't remember what brand it was, girl. So I'm trying to find it. So I got this brand. And I also got this brand. And then I love peach rings since like middle school. Love peach rings. My favorite were the ones at Family Dollar in middle school. I ate those through middle school and high school. And I think by the time I got to college, they stopped making that brand, period. And so I'll just get any kind of peach rings. But probably like last year, I found these. This brand is Gotta Be Sweet. She makes popcorn, cotton candy, and like these type of candies too. And they're good. These are like the best peach rings ever so far that I found. And I try a lot of them, but these have been the best. They are so good. Her popcorn, I had the caramel popcorn too. It's not my favorite, but the popcorn's not bad either. But I love the peach rings. Mr. picked this up to play. This is a giant stacking tower, kind of like Jenga. They had a couple different kinds of these. Like they had some that were even bigger than this, so it's pretty big. But so he picked this up for family game night. Asked the reason why I went there in the first place. He picked up a belt. So the reason I went there in the first place was to find nails. Y'all, I looked all throughout the whole beauty section, and their beauty section is really, really big. I didn't see any nails. So we just went to check out, and as we were checking out, right before we went up to the register, that's where the nails were. Like, what? And they had a lot of really, really cute styles, but we were holding up the line, telling people to like get in front of us. So I just got one style, but I got 2 of the same style. Now, I know they look similar to what I'm wearing now, but they're different. So the ones I have on now are like pink with like the chrome on it, like a soft pink with chrome. This is peach. They're like ombre. So the base of the nail is like a peach, and then it ombres into more like a nude or natural shade. And then the whole entire nail is chrome. I think that is going to be so cute. And anytime, just a pro tip, anytime you buy any type of press-on nails, always get 2 packs. Because if you lose one, sometimes they're not going to have another one of the size that you lost. So I always get 2 packs. But these are super cute. It's from Nail Reformation. That's the brand. Nail Reformation. So Marshalls, if you guys can find them. These came from Marshalls as well, just a different location. But I love these too. And I did get 2 packs of these. So I'm glad I did. Now, I'm still working on my technique of how to get these to last. Mine have been lasting about 7 to 10 days. And I'm trying to get like a 2 to 3 week hold with my nails. And so I saw Makeup Shayla do a couple of tutorials, and she's saying that the glue makes a difference. And there's a glue that's super good at Sally's They don't have it in my area, so probably this weekend I'll branch out to like another side of town and get that glue from Sally's, and I'll let you guys know if it makes a difference. But if you have any tips on how you get your press-ons to last longer, comment down below and let me know. I'll take all the tips I can get, but love these. And then I went to the mailbox right before I came on here, y'all, and I have a package from Link and Live. I'm an ambassador for them, and that's where I get my accessories from. And it's interesting, you guys, because I was shopping with them before I was an ambassador for them. I was shopping. I just love her accessories. Really chic. And some of y'all said that y'all bought some jewelry from there and y'all love it. So I'm glad y'all like it as much as I do. The quality is really good. So let's see what we got. So this looks like it's either a necklace or a bracelet. Let's see. A necklace. That's cute. Look at that. And I love when gold is sort of like that. You see like how it's not super shiny. What do you call this? Is it called brushed gold? I love brushed gold. To me, it makes it look a little bit more expensive. So that's pretty. And this will go with anything. And then, ooh, look. These squares. So these are cute. And then a bracelet. So here's the bracelet. Simple and chic. That's really cute. When I wear it, I'll show you guys how I opened it. And then I got my scent box order came. Remember when I told you guys that I canceled my Scentbird order? I didn't cancel Scentbird. I changed it because I was getting Scentbird monthly. I changed it to only getting Scentbird 3 times a year. And so I got a subscription with Scent Box, which has a lot more fragrances to choose from. This month is Bal de Freak from, is it Barredo? I think Bal de Freak is Barredo. I already know what this smells like, which I love. That's why I ordered it. I love it. It's like a skin scent. It's sweet, and it's just like a sweet, effortless skin scent, y'all. Bal de Freak is so nice. I love it. The only reason why I haven't gotten it yet, not only because it's expensive, but because I'm still working on sparkling sugar, Clean Reserve sparkling sugar. So when I'm done with my sparkling, because it's a skin scent like that, even though they smell completely different, and I like Bal de Freak a lot more than sparkling sugar. It's so much of the same vibes. It's so much of that skin scent type family. Although, like I said, they smell completely different. So when I'm done with sparkling sugar, then I'll definitely want to go with Bal de Freak. It smells so good. So that's it, you guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video today. If this is your first time here and you've made it all the way to the end of the video, I do want to welcome you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.